Hello, welcome to Windows 10 Studio 13 Store. Today we are going to install a material that a customer ordered, and we are going to do everything simple rather than the regular complex tool that we used to use for an installation process. We are going to use simple tools that you can find like everywhere. For example, that spray bottle you can get like any dollar store. You have paper towels at your home, and we are going to use just those extra tools that they are easy to find everywhere as well. First of all, we are going to start with the knives and the water. We also have to put a little bit of soap in the water. You can use a baby shampoo soap, is the only thing that you will need. We use 1, 2, 3, 4. In average, sometimes could be a little bit more or a little bit less. You have to calibrate that one accordingly. Most of the time, we only have to use like one time, and you are good to go. Make sure not put a lot of soap because it will get so extremely slippery, and if you don't have enough, it will be extremely hard to move the material around. We are going to use the knife with water to clean around. Make sure it's no contamination. You have to clean, you have to feel that nothing is in between the glass and the material. So now you are going to use that new paper towels and you are going to clean around. A little bit clean, but you have to make sure there's no contamination around. Now we are going to install the pre-cut tint. We are going to put water, not on the top, just from here to down. And we are going to remove the liner. Make sure you have water behind the material to make the material stick on the glass. Like now you are going to remove in that way. Do you see how easy? The liner, not the material. Otherwise we remove the clear liner. And feel comfortable. Feel comfortable to be able to do the installation. You don't have to rush, you don't have to be desperate. Just be relaxed, make sure everything has water, enough water. And now you grab the material slowly, not with rush, slowly through the corner. Just slow. You are going to take advantage on the corner. If you check how easy is the pre-cut tint, you can come close and see how everything aligns perfect. In some case, if you have a regular rubber, that one will not happen. So you will have to go over a little bit. Let's explain. You can come close a little bit. And you can go and pull the material in that position just to cut a little bit, not that much. You can take the water on the top and you can go down. Make sure you don't have a lot of soap. Just enough. Grab the material on the top and go down. So in that way the material will move. See how easy is that? We are going to use the knife to cut around, okay? With that tool, you are going to do that. And you are going to slowly go down. With care and 45-degree, not toward the rubber, in the other direction you are going to. So now we cut that part. We just will remove the leftover. Now you will use a new towels. Some people prefer to even close the fold the towel properly. And with the knife, carefully, if you have practice, you can do that. Never toward you, unless in that direction. You can do that with care. So many ways to make yourself feel comfortable. Now you are going to the last step. And when you finish, you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then you have to go over the corner. And even if you are in a first floor, you can go outside to see how the material look like before the material dries. So now you have to check around, make sure that everything is right, and with a towel you will dry around. You don't want any water. With care, you don't want the rough to be extremely hard over the material, just with care, okay?